Can optical chips transcend the limitations of traditional microprocessors and bring data processing up to the speed of light? A microprocessor is the fundamental component that enables electronic devices to function. This small but powerful integrated circuit, which can be described as the brain of a computer, processes commands, performs calculations, and controls the device's various components. A microprocessor essentially consists of three main components. The first is the arithmetic logic unit. This unit performs mathematical operations and logical comparisons. The second component, the control unit, interprets the commands received by the microprocessor, initiates the necessary operations, and manages them. The third component is memory registers. These store temporary data used during processing and enable the microprocessor to work more efficiently. Microprocessors work according to a specific cycle to process data and make decisions. First, it retrieves a command stored in memory, then interprets what the command means, and finally executes the command. This process is repeated billions of times in a fraction of a second, enabling the computer to function. The processor's clock speed determines how quickly this cycle is completed and is expressed in gigahertz. While traditional microprocessors used today operate at speeds of 2 to 6 gigahertz, the most advanced models can slightly exceed this limit. Microprocessors come in various types designed for different purposes. General-purpose microprocessors are used in computers and smartphones, while embedded system microprocessors are found in many devices, from cars to home appliances. Graphics processors are optimized specifically for processing visual data and play a major role in gaming, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. Special processors developed for artificial intelligence offer high performance in big data analysis and deep learning applications. Although microprocessors have been the cornerstone of technology for decades, they have now reached certain physical limits in terms of computing power and speed. Transistors, which operate based on the movement of electrons, cannot perform more operations beyond a certain speed, leading to issues such as energy consumption and overheating. At this point, how microprocessor technology will evolve in the future is a major topic of interest. Optical chips have the potential to overcome these physical limitations of microprocessors. While traditional microprocessors process data using electrons, optical chips perform this task using light. This makes the information processing process much faster, reduces energy consumption, and largely eliminates the heat problem. For example, while today's most advanced electronic microprocessors can reach a maximum speed of 6 gigahertz, the fully optical chips developed by China can reach speeds of 100 gigahertz and above. Developed through a collaboration between researchers from Peking University in China, the Chinese Academy of Sciences, and the University of California in the US, the 100 gigahertz all-optical chip is seen as a major breakthrough in computing. This chip generates clock signals using photons instead of electronic oscillators. Researchers designed a chip capable of synthesizing broadband and single-frequency signals by developing a system called a microcomb. A ring shaped like a racetrack inside the chip generates ultra-high-speed clock signals based on the cycles light completes within a specific time. Since light moves much faster than electrons, processing speeds increase significantly. Researchers indicate that thousands of chips can be produced on a 20-centimeter wafer and that this technology can be scaled commercially. However, some technical issues related to stability and packaging still need to be resolved. Nevertheless, this development is considered an important step that could shape the future of computing. One of the most important advantages of optical chips is that they consume much less energy and minimize heating problems. In traditional processors, resistance occurs during the movement of electrons, and this resistance converts into heat, causing the processor to overheat. However, since optical chips use light waves instead of electrons, they do not experience this type of resistance problem. As a result, systems that use optical chips will consume less energy and reduce the need for cooling systems due to excessive heat. This could be a significant development that substantially lowers costs, particularly for large-scale computing facilities such as data centers. One of the biggest innovations offered by optical chips is their ability to perform parallel processing. While traditional electronic chips perform operations in a specific sequence, optical chips can perform multiple operations simultaneously using different wavelengths of light. This feature could revolutionize fields requiring high processing power, such as big data analysis, artificial intelligence training, and quantum computing. While training artificial intelligence models can currently take weeks, optical chips could reduce this time to days or even hours. This new technology could significantly transform not only the computer world, but also the telecommunications sector. Even today's 5G connections are limited by the constraints of electronic chips due to the need for high speed and low latency. However, optical chips can enable much faster data transfer, aiding in the development of 6G technology and making mobile communication much faster. Thanks to optical chips, data packets will be processed at the speed of light, and latency times will be greatly reduced. This could make a huge difference in high-speed internet connections, virtual reality systems, and autonomous vehicles. Optical chips can not only increase computing power, but also have a significant impact on security technologies. Today's data encryption systems rely on the power of existing processors. However, when combined with quantum encryption systems, optical chips can enable much more secure data transmission. Especially when combined with techniques such as quantum key distribution, optical chips can make sensitive data much more secure against cyber attacks. Optical chips also offer major advantages in terms of defense and space technologies. Satellite communications, radar systems, and autonomous military vehicles can greatly benefit from the speed and energy efficiency offered by optical chips. Faster data processing capacity can provide a major advantage in advanced military applications, such as hypersonic weapon systems. Countries that use this technology in the military field will gain a significant advantage in the global balance of power. However, there are some technical obstacles to the commercial use of optical chips. One of the biggest problems is that today's computers and software ecosystems are designed for electronic processors. For optical chips to become widespread, existing operating systems and software infrastructures must also adapt to this technology. Furthermore, since the production of optical chips differs from traditional silicon chips, new production facilities and techniques need to be developed in this field. Although this technology is seen as the chips of the future, it has not yet fully transitioned to commercial production. Existing chip manufacturers are primarily focused on silicon-based semiconductor technology. Large-scale production lines need to be established for optical chips to become widespread. China and the US are rapidly continuing their investments in this area, but it may take several years for optical chips to replace traditional silicon chips. Will optical chips replace microprocessors, or will both technologies be used together? This is not yet certain. However, one thing is clear. Microprocessor technology is entering a new phase of transformation. Faster, more efficient, and lower power processors will accelerate advances in computing and shape the future digital world. If optical chips replace traditional microprocessors, this would mean the emergence of an alternative to the silicon era that has continued for 50 years in computer science. Therefore, the future of microprocessors has become directly linked to the development of optical chips.